Good morning. You guys are all snuggled in. I know we're in Florida. It's 38 degrees and it feels like 35. You're not happy? Well, I'm gonna head out for my walk. You're welcome to come with me. Are you gonna come with me? All right, I will come back in about an hour and we'll go out and take some pictures. We are taking a little pause this morning, waiting for the tide to come in. You can see on the seawall over there how far it has dropped. Low tide is about half hour, and then we have to wait for a rising tide to leave the marina. Well, the Parrots were out for a walk this morning, and they found these really cool rentals. It'd be cool to be a teenager and get on one of these things and go. This one found the Sea-Doo. What are you doing? Sea-Doo looks fun too. The sun is shining and we're gonna take a walk around the marina. All right, well, let's head up to land. These are really cool though. There's a motor bus to seat us at the dock. There's a little restaurant over here. Boat sales, boat rentals. Let's go, guys. It is a beautiful place to sit and watch the water. I'm sure the sunset here would be an awesome picture. You guys just glide back and forth. You're not getting many steps in. And Parrots see the live bait sign. They want to go fishing. So we'll have to check out if we can get a fishing pole and some bait. Amelia Island Marina. So we've been here since yesterday afternoon. So we're doing our walk. And what do the parrots find? Birds of paradise. Look how pretty. It's December and it's blooming. Just beautiful. So we will go fishing. We'll go head back to the boat and see if the captain will get you a fishing pole out. And I know we have some bait. Oh, look at that. Please puncture fish eyes and ear bladders before throwing carcass in the water. I guess they don't want eyeballs floating around the harbor. But let's check this out. There's actually fish scales here on the fish table. Hey, look at y'all. You each have your own palm tree. That's pretty cool. So let's check you out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once Perch joined us for a cruise boat ride. What are you checking out? What is this? Oh, scary. Even scarier. Well, birds, parrots. Let's just keep the birds off the boat. Right now, the captain is spraying down a little bit of bird poo off our boat. It gets kind of messy. It started off at 38 degrees this morning at sunrise, and it is beautiful out right now. It's about 50 degrees. 10 in the morning. I'm gonna do a little bit more work on the boat, get things cleaned up, and keep heading south.